The angel Yesalel is a celestial figure who offers powerful blessings, especially in crucial areas of life such as memory, learning, and loving relationships. Yesalel is known for stimulating our intellectual capabilities, helping us achieve our goals of knowledge and wisdom. He is an angel from the choir of cherubim, endowed with great powers that can positively influence the lives of those who invoke his help. Yesalel is an angel whose name means paradise on earth, reflecting her ability to bring happiness and harmony to marital relationships. It is particularly powerful in helping learning and improving memory, making it a great ally for those who need to study for tests, learn foreign languages, or even improve their skills in different areas of knowledge. Students, researchers, and everyone seeking intellectual development can find a guide and protector in Yesalel. One of Yesalel's main qualities is her ability to cultivate happiness between couples, helping them overcome disagreements and strengthen their bonds. He teaches us how to act in a wise and balanced way in moments of tension, promoting peace and mutual understanding. Yesalel also helps us maintain focus and concentration, especially at crucial moments, such as during studies or in situations that require great mental discipline. Yesalel exerts her influence on Earth at specific times when her energy is strongest and most powerful. The ideal time to connect with him is between 4 o'clock and 4:20 in the morning. Furthermore, there are specific days on which Yesalel's presence is even more notable: January 18th, April 1st, June 13th, August 25th, and November 6th. On these days, the invocation of Yesalel tends to be more effective, becoming an excellent opportunity to seek his guidance and protection. In the angelic universe, everything is wrapped in symbolism, and with Yesalel it is no different. The colors lilac and white are especially powerful in attracting the presence of this angel. To intensify your connection with him, it is recommended to light a lilac candle and use myrrh or mint incense, which aroma is appreciated by Yesalel. These symbolic elements help create an environment conducive to the manifestation of your blessings. The psalm associated with the angel Yesalel is number 97, verse 6. This psalm brings a message of joy and divine justice. Let the earth rejoice, the heavens declare his righteousness, and all peoples see his glory. Reciting this psalm with devotion can strengthen your connection with Yesalel, bringing his protection and guidance into your life. For those who wish to invoke Yesalel, it is important to follow some guidelines. First of all, keep a 12-hour fast and avoid praying to him during rains. With God in your heart, repeat the following words with faith and sincerity. Yesalel, give me the exact measure of your virtues. Make my desires accept the command of reason, and make fidelity rule my feelings. Keep me away from everything that is small and insignificant. Guide me to execute only divine works, which are eternal. May useless words never come out of my mouth, and may I always be convinced of the eternal truth. This prayer is a powerful way to connect with Yesalel, allowing his virtues to manifest in your life. Meditation is a fundamental practice for those who desire a deeper connection with Yesalel. Choose a quiet, cozy place where you feel protected and at peace. During meditation, focus on your breathing and your body posture, keeping your mind calm and focused. Repeat or reflect on the following words. I awaken the light of the Messiah within myself, others, and throughout the planet. The concept of paradise on earth becomes conceivable and achievable. This meditation helps open your heart to Yesalel's blessings, bringing peace and enlightenment into your life. Invoking Yesalel requires patience and a pure heart, free from evil intentions. Start with the prayer and meditation mentioned above, using the candles and incense that you prefer. Remember to maintain a humble and open stance, allowing Yesalel's energy to manifest in your life. By performing these rituals with devotion and sincerity, you will be able to feel the presence of Yesalel and receive his blessings. Yesalel's message is one of calm and confidence. He reminds us that, with faith and perseverance, everything can improve, and we can become more productive and fulfilled in our lives. Yesalel encourages us to grow, both professionally and personally, and to always seek divine wisdom. Those who ask for his protection develop an incredible memory and a presence of mind that makes them respected and admired by everyone around them. In love, Yesalel blesses those who are caring and dedicated, helping them maintain strong and harmonious relationships. He teaches how to be creative and loving, keeping the flame of love always burning, even in difficult times. These are the main qualities and blessings of the angel Yesalel, which can bring harmony, tranquility, and wisdom to your life. When you feel the need for help, do not hesitate to connect with him, and allow Yesalel to guide your steps towards a path of light and fulfillment. If you want to learn more about angels and how their energies can positively influence your life, subscribe to the Wings of Grace 1111 channel. In it, we explore the messages and blessings of angels, bringing valuable content to your spiritual journey. Be sure to activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos and share these teachings with your friends and family. May the blessings of the angels always be by your side.